Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 11.6, parsing a Boolean expression. And in this Boolean expression is an expression that evaluates to either true or false, and it can be in one of the following shapes. T basically evaluates to true, F evaluates to false, and not a substring, basically a sub expression, not substring, yeah, that evaluates to the logical not of the inner expression, and of basically multiple values represent the logical and or basically it presents to the logical or in between the operators. Okay, so we'll be given a string expression, and that represents a Boolean expression, and we have to return the evaluation of that expression, and it will be granted that the given expression is valid following the rules. Okay, so expression is and then or of false we can consider. So or of false will remain false, and then the and of false will remain false, so the will be at the end returning false in this case. Okay, but in this case we are having multiple false, and we are having at least one true. So what will happen is we'll do a false with false, we'll have false, and we'll do another false with false, we'll again have false, but then we'll be having a false with true, so that will return true. Okay, so to validate this expression we'll be having to use a stack of character, in which we'll be storing the operator and the corresponding values, basically false or true. So let's have a stack of character stack, so that is equal to a new stack. Okay, and now let's traverse in the expression. So for char ch in expression, what we'll be basically considering is we'll be skipping opening parentheses and commas. We'll be just having the operations along with the values which are true and false respectively. Not respectively. Dot to character array. I forgot that. Okay, now firstly let's have a if check that if character is equal to an opening parenthesis or it is a comma, or ch to comma. I'll be doing a continue, or let's say just skip. Okay, and then I'll be checking that if current character, oh sorry, it's not current, it's just ch is equal to not, or character is equal to I'll just add a function instead. If private boolean valid, in this we are having a char ch, and we'll be returning character is equal to or character is equal to a not, or character is equal to a true, or character is equal to a and operator, or character is equal to a false. Okay, and let's have a if valid check here. Valid character, I'll be pushing it to the stack, so stack dot push ch. Okay, and then what we'll be checking is else. We'll have to check if it is a closing character. So now we have to evaluate the expression up till now. Character is equal to a closing bracket. Okay, now let's have two values basically, which says that we are having true or false. So has true, which is, let's initialize it with false, and has false as well, basically the current expression is also equal to false. Okay, now while not stack dot eq not is valid, we'll have to do, I'll guess we'll have to add an if check. No, let's make this function reusable. Cut this off and cut this as well. Yeah. Oh sorry, here. Yeah, and or over here as well. Just a second. Oh yeah, let's and or here as well. Yeah, and now while stack.peak while not is valid, while not valid stack.peak, basically till the time we are not finding an operation operator we cannot perform an operation apparently. Okay, so char yeah, okay, let's just do this, that if character is equal to a false, if oh, let's have char c current character, so that is equal to stack.pop. So basically if current is equal to a false, so I'll be making has false true, else I'll be making has true equal to true. Okay, now basically after this while loop has ended, basically that means that we have found an operation to be performed. So I'll be popping off char operation, so that will be equal to stack dot pop again, and then based on the operation I'll be performing it. So if my if operation is equal to an exclamation, so I basically have to do append opposite of it, so stack dot push. So basically I'll be pushing to the stack that if has true is true, so if has true, and then I'll have to append false, otherwise I'll have to append true. Else if my operation is equal to an or operator, so what I'll be doing is I'll be pushing the if stack dot push if my again has true is false. So no matter whatever the else how many false we are having, so it will always be true. Else I'll having to append a false. Else I'll be just doing a stack dot push if in both the cases, if stack dot push if has false, if there is even one false, so in that case I'll have to append a false, otherwise no matter what the answer will be always true. Okay, and at the end I'll just return if my stack dot pop if it is equal to a true. Okay, now let's give it a run. Hmm. Oh, what? I made a blunder somewhere. Yeah. Error not statement has false in line number 15. Why it's sorry, line number 15. Oh, has false equal to true. Yeah, now let's give it a run again. And it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.